lucky Freddy's put up that ceiling fan for you.
I'd be lucky if I were drinking some tomato juice.
I'll get you some tomato juice.
Yes.
And I need a little splash.
Here you go.
This ain't tomato juice.
Then what is it?
Nothing. I gotta get some rest. Okay. Here's the remote that controls the fan.
Come on, let's get out of here. Just call us if you need anything else. To turn on the fan.
Green one.
Stick around. There's more